Hi everyone, it's Sophie and welcome back. So for today's new video, I have prepared my workspace that is right behind me. And of course, I have prepared my paper planner that I haven't used for a long time, ever since I started using Notion, because Notion is just a super powerful, great, and professional app that allows you to organize all of your things in one workspace so you can get more productive and more organized. And I'm going to be showing you exactly how I plan my things on Notion. And of course, I'm going to be showing you guys what is inside this paper planner, since it is also pretty useful. But to be honest, Notion stopped my procrastination, which is a lot more better than this paper planner, because this only tells me what to do, but in Notion you can basically organize every single thing, so which is super powerful, professional, and also a really effective productivity app. Alright, so I am also going to be showing my desk over here, and I'm going to be doing that in a bit. So yeah, let's move on and get started. Hi everyone, so this is my workspace, and I basically will be organizing everything into where they belong. So the upper shelf is for my online school supplies, and also for my drawer that is plastic that I got from Daiso, I think. And then yeah, I have my planner, I have my notebooks and my binder, and in the main workspace I basically have my iPad and my laptop for homework and editing. And this one is my pot of flower that my mom bought a week ago, just to add this really nature feeling to my room, and I love it so much. And yeah, this one is kind of like a pink aesthetic, I think so. Yeah, and I hope that you think my workspace is clean and organized, even though it doesn't really look aesthetic in any way. But yeah, this one is my actual setup, which means even if I'm not filming a video, I still have this setup. And I love this one so much because I just feel more productive and more motivated when having a really clean and organized workspace. And yeah, and let's move on to my daily planner, and I'll show you exactly what is inside my planner, and let's go! Hi everyone, so this is my physical planner. So over here I have my calendar. It is a printed calendar that has been included in the planner, and including the year and the month on the top left corner, and down in the bottom right, that is the month, and also the notes column where you can basically add some additional information, for example any notes or any reminders and things like that. It depends on you. And this is an overview of what the week's day blocks looks like. For example, like, the 5th, the 4th, or the 1st. And you can basically jot down some events that will be happening on that specific day into the day block, and that way you can basically have a monthly review of what you need to do in that month. So this is basically what it looks like, and I love the fonts because it just makes it really aesthetic and clear. And this is the bookmark, so you can basically clip it into a page so that you don't have to keep flipping into pages and pages, and then you get frustrated like, oh my gosh, where is that page that I want to reach? So this would be really great, but the durability of this bookmark isn't really that strong, so I don't really recommend you, putting the bookmark unless you do want to just like flip your page just by having the bookmark over there, and that will be super convenient. And this is the weekly planner, and here it says priorities of the week, so you can basically put down some important things that you need to do for the week so that you have an idea of what you need to do for that specific week. And it starts from Monday all the way to Sunday, and you can basically write down some to-do lists like I did right now. So it's in the morning, so my handwriting might not be really that good because my handwriting changes depending on what time it is of the day. And yes, it is true. So this is what it looks like, and you can basically add some additional informations onto those lines if you do want to. And sometimes I even journal on these lines because I just want to record my day. I don't really know if that counts as bullet journaling or what, but just recording my day. And yeah, this is basically my entire little planner, and includes the weekly and monthly planner. So it is it is really good. So I do highly recommend you getting it. And you know, just be careful with the bookmark because you don't want it to be, you know, scratched or damaged too much, otherwise it won't really work anymore and it'll be just a plain white bookmark with nothing in it. So yeah, this is basically my entire planner. And also I just want to say that there are also some extra sticky notes like at the first page, so you can, you know, feel free to buy it and look at it. And bye everyone. So I'm just going to be briefly showing my today, which is basically my day planner, and of course my weekly planner, because I just want to keep this video a little shorter and I'm mainly going to be showing this. So this is basically my today planning, which is basically my daily planner. And I basically have categorized my to-dos into colors, such as homework for blue and social medias for purple, productivity for red, and exercises like dance practices and stuff like that for orange. And these are basically all my to-dos. And if you are wondering what this divider is for, it is basically to divide between, you know, for today and tomorrow. So below the divider is basically tomorrow, and above the divider is for today. So that is basically how I organize my day, by doing that. And this is my weekly planner over here. So I don't really use my weekly planner that often because like I just, you know, I mainly use my daily planner, and I am just going to be checking this off. And I also filmed my YouTube video, even though I'm still filming right now. So yeah, this one is basically sort of like my to-do for the week, and I have my Monday and I write down the exact date like for that weekday, and of course you know, Saturdays, Sundays, weekly goals. Over here, for example, I just want to, you know, do a specific thing like for that week. And I also have my weekly uploads, which is basically my weekly social media content uploads. And yeah, that is basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to smash that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to turn on your notifications for this channel, and see you next Saturday, and bye!